Tired of the same old boring widgets? I'm going to show you how to unlock Widgetable Premium and take your phone customization to the next level. Alright, first things first, make sure you have Widgetable installed and open on your phone. If you don't already have it, head over to the App Store or Google Play Store and download it now. Now, navigate to your profile or settings within the Widgetable app. This is usually located in the bottom right corner of the screen, indicated by a small profile icon or a gear symbol. Tap on it. Look for the option that says something like Go Premium or Widgetable Premium. It might be prominently displayed with a special banner or button. Tap on that to proceed. You'll now see a breakdown of the premium features and the available subscription options. Take a moment to review the benefits, things like ad-free usage, exclusive widgets, and more customization options. Select the plan that best suits your needs. Once you've chosen your plan, you'll be prompted to complete the payment process through your phone's standard payment system. This might involve using Apple Pay, Google Pay, or entering your credit card information. Follow the on-screen instructions to finalize your purchase. And that's it. Once your payment is processed, the premium features will be unlocked. You should see a confirmation message or notice that indicates your account is now upgraded. Enjoy your new widgets and enhanced customization options. Now go ahead and start creating some awesome widgets with all those new premium features. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more awesome tips and tricks.